Hey everybody, it's Tony from Car Stars. And what I got in this box, brand new welder. That one took a dump on me like as soon as I plugged it in, powered it up. Still waiting on the board to replace so I can see if it's going to be fixed. Meanwhile, we got this one. So let's open her up, see what we got. Alright, here we go. Alright. And what is it? Oh! It's a Yes Welder. So this is like one of the more common brands of cheap Chinese welders that you find on Amazon. And man, a little guy, huh? Let me turn this off so I can actually get it out. So that box was inside that bigger box, and as you saw 2 seconds ago, all they had in there for packaging was that piece of like dense cardboard-y type paper, which is pretty weak because this box was just rattling around inside that other box. So let's hope it's sturdy enough to not be damaged. And yeah, let's see what they give you. Now, I bought this on Amazon. It came pretty promptly, and shipped. I had a coupon somehow on Amazon, and shipped. This was under $200 shipped, but just barely. It was like $1.99 or something. So what do we get in there? Ugh. Wow, this little guy's tiny. So this is just a DC welder. Wow. Since I'm doing this all one-handed, I didn't want to be like jerking it all around and making it look like ass, since my video footage sometimes can be crap. Wow, this thing is small. This is about the same size as a little plasma cutter I got. This is a TIG welder, gas TIG, obviously. I don't think you can weld TIG without gas. And it's got all kinds of cool features, pre-flow, post-flow. I think it ramps up and ramps down the voltage or the amperage. You can use a pedal. So yeah, so for the $200, let's see what you get. So you got the typical plug-in, which is then going to have an adapter, so you can go to 110, which is the same thing as on this welder, this LOTOS welder, which is right there. Let's see what you got in the box. I have a nice list. Ground clamp, 10 foot. That's nice, because my MIG welder, my Chinese MIG welder's ground clamp, I swear, was like 4 or 5 feet long at most. Electrode holder, power adapter, gas hose, operator's manual, and the TIG torch. There's the gas hose, operator's manual. I'm going to take that with me today so I can read it while I wait to pick up my daughter. There's the arc welding clamp. Let's see. There's the ground clamp. Has that nice plug-in adapter. There's the TIG. Wow, not bad. I'll give you a couple gas cones and the rod, the tungsten holders and different sizes. Okay, so that's pretty cool. And there's the adapter. All right, so $200. Not a bad deal if it works, right? So that's, I guess, the next step. We've got to get her hooked up. Use my new folding TIG table, which I have a different video on where I give you my initial impressions of that. So yeah, we'll get her hooked up. We'll get her running. My buddy's using my my helmet, and my favorite helmet, and my gloves right now to do a welding project. I'm just gonna wait till he's done so I can get it back and try this out. Anyway, thanks for watching. This is just a little unboxing. Thanks for watching. Please make sure that you enter our free giveaway for Klein tools. There'll be a card here at the end, so you can click on that and go see that video. Or in the description below, you'll see our Facebook link to the official comment page. Otherwise, I'm looking forward to using this thing, practicing some TIG welding. Alright, thanks for watching. Catch y'all later.